Hello kids, let's read a story. Chicka chicka boom boom. A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. Wheel said D to E F G, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. And I and J and tag along K all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? Look who's coming. LMNOP and QRS and TUV. Still more W and XYZ, the whole alphabet up the oh no. Chicka chicka boom boom. Skit scat squirrel doot flip flop flee. Everybody's running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears and then they dust their pants. Help us up, cried A, B, C. Next from the pile up, skinned knee D and stubbed toe E and patched up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped. N is stooped. O is twisted. Alley oop. Skit scat squirrel doot flip flop flee. Look who's coming. It's black-eyed P and Q, R, S and loose tooth T. Then U, V, W, wiggle jiggle free. Last to come X, Y, Z. And the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But chicka chicka boom boom. Look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed and this is what he said. Dare double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you at the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. I hope you like this story. For more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.